don't think it's that. Here, say hi to Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Sebastian, say hi to Fred.
Fred looks like an iPod.
There goes the airplane. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Canadian Air Force Hornet fighter practicing for the show yesterday suddenly slammed nose first into the ground and exploded into a fireball. The pilot managed to eject. He was not seriously.
Argentinië is zondag een stuntpiloot om het leven gekomen tijdens een vliegshow in Buenos Aires. De 45-jarige piloot verloor de controle over zijn toestel. Hij draaide wilde spiralen waarna hij op de grond klapte. Het toestel vatte gelijk vlam. De piloot overleefde de crash niet. Er vielen verder geen gewonden.
Single ignition on it, and that actually made the light plane start and go through to be very successful.
All right, here he comes back down from left to right. More airspeed. Back up to the vertical. Nice half full. Oh, look at that. What do they call it there? The nonchalant. Totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay, everyone, we do have
That's not good.
ladies and gentlemen, we do have emergency personnel who are prepared for this.
He stalled.
We have planned for this sort of an event. And we ask that you all remain where you are to let any emergency personnel by.
Make the whole thing on video.
The strength to get right back up again from the hang down position where your knees are locked. A lot of stomach. Okay, add to that a forward speed of 110 miles an hour. You're facing that wind. And then you have to fight the wind, and then you have to get yourself back upright. Now, you think that Jane is going to disappear from us. Now, she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker. Sitting on top of the world. Oh, no.
Martin, get up. boys and girls, the air show is suspended at this time. Please stay in position where you are as our emergency teams proceed to the accident that has happened, and we will keep you informed as we have information available to us.
Ramstein Air Force Base, Germany. It's one of the most exciting air shows in all of Europe. A squadron of 10 Italian military jets dazzles the crowd of 300,000 people. Preparing for the final routine of the day, planes break off into two separate formations, with one jet flying solo. The pilots are attempting a maneuver called the piercing heart. The stunt calls for the planes to rocket toward each other at 350 miles per hour and crisscross only a few feet apart. But suddenly, disaster strikes. Three of the planes collide in midair. Take another look at this horrifying moment. The plane that had been flying on its own clips another. And then slams into a third jet. All three aircraft crash into the ground. One of them streaks toward a crowd of spectators and explodes.
Holy, it's the crap. Oh my God!
Firefighters race to put out the blaze that is raging on the tarmac. Innocent spectators are trapped in the inferno. Witnesses describe the scene as a war.